Integration Objects is pleased to present this demo of its OPC UA Proxy. Integration Objects OPC UA Proxy is a powerful solution for OPC UA communications that enables any OPC DA client to communicate with UA servers as if they were OPC DA servers. In this demo, we will show you how to configure a DA proxy server and how to connect to the created server using an OPC DA client and read real-time data. Finally, we will explain how to edit the configuration of the proxy server. This diagram illustrates the solution's typical system architecture. Integration Objects OPC UA wrapper includes a feature called OPC UA to OPC DA Proxy that acts like a bridge between OPC UA servers connected to the network and any OPC DA client. To properly run the OPC UA proxy, the following software components need to be installed on the target system: the .NET Framework version 4.0 or higher, the OPC core components, which consist of all shared OPC modules, and the OPC UA local discovery server, which lists the OPC UA endpoints available on a given computer. This is the OPC UA wrapper interface. To begin with, add the proxy by clicking the Add button available in the Home menu, or by right-clicking the UA2COM root node and selecting Add Proxy. The UA endpoint configuration dialog box will be shown. Click Discover to browse the UA endpoints and select the UA server URL. You can choose opc.tcp, HTTP, or HTTPS protocol. Select Security Mode and Security Policy to open a secure channel with a selected endpoint. Only security settings supported by the chosen UA server will be enabled. You can also choose between Anonymous and Username Identity mode. When the server URL, the security options, and the user authentication mode are set, the UA endpoint configuration is done, and we can proceed to the COM configuration by clicking the Apply button. The COM server configuration dialog is displayed. You can edit the generated prog ID. The selected protocol is DA, which is the only protocol supported in this version. The server scan rate and the CLS ID can also be edited. After clicking OK, a new node will be added to the UA2COM root node. Clicking on the proxy node will display the COM configuration and the UA configuration. You can also click on the Certificate Management tab to display the certificates related to the proxy. Now we will move to the OPC DA client part to demonstrate how to connect to the proxy, how to read real-time data, and how to read and write items. For this, we will use Integration Objects OPC Easy Archiver, which is our solution to store real-time data and historical data into a database. Click on the Connect to OPC DA server and click on the Connect to OPC DA server. The connection dialog is shown, displaying all the available DA servers. As you can see, our DA proxy server is successfully registered. You can select its prog ID and click Connect. The first try will fail because the certificate of the UA server is not trusted by the proxy. Go back to the Proxy Configuration tool, right-click the rejected certificate and click Trust. Now you can normally connect to the server by following the same steps as previously. After the connection succeeds, you can add a group and select Add Items. To add the desired items, you should browse the address space of the UA server and add the tags. These items will be added to the group. Select View Group Data to view the data changes. In order to test the write functionality, you need to add static items to visualize the written values. To do so, you can add a new group and select some static tags. After adding these items, right-click on an item and select View Item Properties to read the value of the tag. After that, select Write Item Value and type a value, for example 55. Select View Item Properties again to recheck the item value. You can see that the value has been successfully written. All DA functionalities are also offered via the UA proxy. For example, you can remove items, remove a group, disconnect the server, and remove a server. Now we will move to edit the proxy configuration. To do so, you can start with the UA configuration. Discover the endpoints of the UA server, then select one of the discovered URLs. You can change the transport protocol, the message encoding, the security mode and policy, and the user identity. After making these changes, you need to click Save. You can also edit the server prog ID and the server rates, then click Save. To configure the reconnection settings, select the Settings button available in the Home menu bar, navigate to Proxy Configuration tab, and you will get the following dialog screen. You can check or uncheck the Enable Automatic Reconnection box and configure the period separating two reconnection attempts, then click OK. To remove a proxy server, right-click on the server node and select Remove Proxy. In this demo video, we briefly demonstrated the features of our OPC UA proxy, including how to configure a DA proxy server, how to connect to the created server using an OPC DA client and read real-time data, and how to edit the configuration of the proxy server. Integration Objects OPC UA Proxy is the best and easiest way to integrate unified architecture servers to OPC Classic infrastructure. It guarantees a secure communication with the OPC UA server without any configuration difficulties. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please send an email to customerservice@integrationobjects.com.